Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are safe at home with your family and dear ones. In this situation, when we all are homebound and cannot go anywhere to enjoy our vacations, let me take you to the exciting trip of our beautiful state, Haryana.
हे ऋषियों की पावन धरती, श्री कृष्ण ने जो संदेश दिया, कुरुक्षेत्र की इस भूमि पर गीता का उपदेश दिया। नजर कदे भी लागे ना, थम ठाके मिर्च उवार दियो। मेरे वतन के खातिर बेशक मेरी गर्दन तार दियो। मेरे खून का कतरा कतरा इस माटी पे कुर्बान से, सारी दुनिया दे न्यारा, हरियाणा हमारा महान से, हरियाणा हमारा महान से। भारत के कोने कोने में धूम मची हरियाणे की। भारत के कोने कोने में धूम मची हरियाणे की। बेबातड़ी ढोल नगाड़े कुछ सुनो भाई गाने की।
घर में बैठे थक गए, क्या करें अब काम। चलो घूमे अपना हरियाणा, लेके हरि का नाम। Haryana, the Vedic land of North India. Haryana, the name is taken from Sanskrit word Hari, which means God, and Ayana means home. It is the home of gods. The Vedic civilization and the Harappan civilization began and matured together near the banks of river Saraswati. It was here that Lord Krishna preached Bhagavad Gita before the battle of Mahabharata, and Saint Ved Vyas wrote Mahabharata in Sanskrit on this soil. The various archaeological sites in Haryana prove this fact. The state was carved out from the Indian or East Punjab state on the basis of language and is bounded by Uttar Pradesh in the east, Punjab in the west, Himachal Pradesh in the north, and Rajasthan in the west and south. The state was formed on 1st November 1966 under Shah Commission headed by Justice J.C. Shah. Its capital is Chandigarh. The state is the 21st largest state of India with an area of about 44,212 square kilometers. It supports a population of 25,351,462 people. The state is divided into 22 districts which are drained by two major rivers, Yamuna and Ghaggar. Mostly people speak Hindi and Punjabi here. Faridabad is the largest city of Haryana and Gurugram is the high-tech or cyber city of the state. The state is governed by Chief Minister Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar with Governor Mr. Satyadev Narayan Arya and Home Minister Mr. Anil Vij. Now we learn some important state symbols. We have a green state emblem depicting the prosperity of Haryana. People is our state tree and lotus is our state flower. Our state animal is blackbird with black francolin as the state bird. The different national parks and wildlife sanctuaries show the exotic wildlife of the state. Also, these are major tourist attractions such as Sultanpur National Park, Kalesar National Park, etc. Other places visited by the tourists are Morni Hills, Mansa Devi Temple, Jyotisar, Rock Garden and many more. Haryana is an agriculture state where agriculture is the main occupation of the people living here. This has made the state self-sufficient in food grains production and is at the second position in food grains production in the country. Major crops grown here are wheat, groundnut, maize, sugarcane, etc. The state celebrates the rich, glorious culture of India in its various fairs and festivals, which are celebrated with great enthusiasm and zeal. The Surajkund International Fair, Mango Mela, Gita Jayanti Festival are examples of such vibrance. Many festivals like Baisakhi, Holi, Gangaur, Diwali, Tej, etc. are celebrated here. Tej is the festival which has a great significance in the life of people of the state. It is celebrated on the third day of Shravan month by ladies and girls. They wear colorful attires and apply mehndi on their hands. Now let's come to art and culture. The state is famous for its fulkari work, juttis and daris and its handicrafts items. तो अब मेला घूम लिया, फेस्टिवल्स भी सेलिब्रेट कर लिए, अब कुछ डांस मस्ती हो जाए। हरियाणा हैज़ अ रिच वैरायटी ऑफ फोक डांसेस सच एज सांग, झूमर, खोड़िया, रासलीला and many more. So enjoy one of them. मेरे सिर पे The folk music of Haryana includes instruments like sarangi, harmonium, damru, bansuri, etc., which make it a spiritual delight. अब यहाँ का पहनावा भी जान लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। Women here wear colorful daman, kurtis and chunnis, whereas men wear dhoti kurta with a traditional headgear. सारा घूम लिया, अब तो आई एम फीलिंग हंग्री, सो लेट्स टेस्ट आवर हरियाणवी कुजीन. इट हैज़ बाजरे की खिचड़ी, चूरमा, लस्सी and many more delights. The staple food is wheat or bajra and plenty of milk and ghee. Oh, yummy! Popular sweet dishes of state are malpuas, rabdi, gajar ka halwa, etc. After a full appetite, we must also know some interesting facts about the state. The state has always been number one in sports, as it has been the home of various sports personalities of India, whether it is Kapil Dev, Saina Nehwal or Vijayendra Singh. Kalpana Chawla, the first Indian woman in space, was from the Karnal district of Haryana. Haryana is on the second number in states giving the largest number of soldiers in Indian armed forces. It is Asia's largest grain market and India's biggest basmati rice exporter. So guys, this is our Haryana. I hope you have enjoyed this trip a lot. In the end, we sing some lines. देसा में देश भारत, भारत में हरियाणा, जे दूध दही का खाना, सीधा साधा बाणा, मस्त मेरा हरियाणा, मस्त मेरा हरियाणा। जय हरियाणा, जय भारत।